Good morning, dear students. We are see this chapter number 2, Pythagoras theorem. We are going to learn the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Draw the figure. Is a P, Q and R. Pythagoras theorem in a right angle triangle. In a PQ is a right angle triangle. The square of the hypotenuse square is a PR square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides PQ and QR square. QR square plus PQ square is the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras triplet. Next point is a Pythagoras triplet. Triplet means three. Definition: in a triplet of natural numbers, if the squares of the largest number is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two numbers, then the triplet is called Pythagoras triplet. For example, 11, 60, 61, 3, 5, 4 is the Pythagoras triplet. The example, verify. Pythagoras triplet. In a triplet is the natural number of the squares of the largest numbers is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two numbers. Then the triplet is called a Pythagorean triplet. For example, 11, 60 and 3 and 4. For example, is a 60, 11, 60 and 61. Answer, solution. 61 is equal to square is a 61 square is equal to 3670 21 37 21 number 60 square is equal to 60 square plus 61 square, sorry 11 square. 60 square is 3600 and 11 is a 121 is equal to 371. The square of largest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two numbers is the examples, is the first example. Second example, verify 3 4 5 is a biggest number is a 5 square is equal to is a 25 and 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16 is a 3 square 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Therefore, the square of largest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two numbers. Therefore, 3 4 5 is a Pythagoras triplet. Therefore, is a 11 60 61 is a Pythagoras triplet. Is the examples. Next example is page number 30. 5 12 and 13. 5 12 and 13. For example, third 5 12 and 13. 5 12 and 13. Biggest number is a 13 is equal to 13 square is a 169. 5 square is equal to 25. 12 square is a 144. 5 is a 25 plus 144 is equal to 169. The square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the square of the other two numbers is a 169. 25 and 144 is equal to 169 and biggest number, the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the square of the other two numbers is a, therefore is a 5 12 and 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. Another example, 8 15 and 17. 8 15 and 17. 8 15 and 17. 17 square is equal to 289. 8 square is equal to 64. 15 square is equal to 225. 64 plus 225 is equal to 969. 8 and 2 is the 17 square is a 289, 8 square is a 64, 15 square is a 225, 64 plus 25 is equal to 289. The square of the largest number is the equal to the sum of the square of the two numbers is 8, 15 and 17 is a Pythagorean triplet. Another example, 24, 25, 24, 24, 25 and 7, 25, 25 is 625, 24, 576 and 7 is equal to 49. 576 plus 49 is equal to 625. The square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the square of the others in a two numbers is 24, 24, 25 and 7 is a Pythagorean triplet is the example. In a page number 30, verify the numbers in a Pythagorean triplet. Number of the Pythagoras triplet can be written in any orders. Next one is a importance, more formula of Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet formula. Pythagorean's triplet formula is a plus b, a plus a square b, a square plus b square, comma a square minus b square, and 2ab is the number, is the page number. Assign a different value of a and b. Again assign a different value a and b and obtain 5 Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean's triplet. Example is a is equal to, first example, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. Second example, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3. Third example, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2. Fourth example, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 1. And 5 example, fifth, a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 7. Value is added in a equation. A square plus b square is equal to a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. A square plus b square is equal to a is 2 square plus b is 1 square is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. A square minus b square is equal to 2 square minus 1 square is a 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 2ab is equal to 2 multiplied by a is 2 multiplied by 1 is a 4. Therefore 5, 3, 4 is a Pythagorean's triplet. Pythagorean's triplet is a Pythagorean triplet. Second one is the first question. Second, a is equal to 4, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3, a square plus b square is equal to a is a 4 square plus b is a 3 square is equal to